also offers the valuation of an independent house, and the method is same. Like, you go, first agree the terms and conditions, put the address of the independent house where the property is situated. So assuming the address is sector G, Aliganj, Lucknow, and this is where the property is situated. Uh, So what it is doing is geocoding the property. So this is a coordinate of sector G which has come. You can search more specifically the location area. So assuming the location is in Chetram, this is Chetram Mandir. It's very close to Chetram Mandir. You go, identify the property, and assuming this is a property, click on that, the cursor goes to that particular property, say yes. After you reach to yes, go and select the options for instead of apartment, because since it's an independent house and a villa, select the independent house. Give the land area and the constructed area. So land area is 1200 square feet, constructed area is also 1200 square feet. The measurement of the area is carpet, and then the super built up is calculated based on prevailing loading, but the built of the property is 1980, so you have to put the 20 years as a age. Submit. So while submissions, it will give you the comparables, but these comparables are actually the apartment rates. We have assessed the land rate based on the economic density in that area. Economic density is generally what is the income class which are available in the surrounding. We use the Lysis data, and then we look at the apartment prices. We develop the regressions model based on the density and the prevailing property prices. It predicts the value of the apartment land. So we will use this, and so here there are the comparables from the secondary market. Since the primary market data is not available, there's no new projects in the vicinities, but in the secondary market these were the listings available. From there it has taken the comparables of last top 3 and top 5. The user have options to select a single top 3 or top 5, although the top 3 is more appropriate, but in case you want to select the top 5 comparables because it averages much better. So assuming we select the top 5 and press the next, the moment you press the next, it will calculate the value of the property. So if you look at what it has calculated, the constructed area into the constructed price, the the building or the construction cost is around 16.7 lakhs. Cost of the land is around 73 lakhs, and the age discount, because it's a old property, 20 years old, so the construction has cost gets reduced. So close to 10 lakhs rupees is a age discount. The value of the property is standing in this particular manner. So you can carry out the value of the property of an independent house also, and this is a remarkable thing for desktop valuation which Lysis is offering. Not many people have been able to attempt in this manner, and it's a very complex thing. We have tried to reach to accuracies, and this is a house which we did, which I am trying to sell right now. This is my own house, and I would be very happy to say that the arrived value is absolutely same as the transaction price which is going on in this market, and this is the price I'm trying to sell the property, and there is already a buyer. So it has given a very very good results. We have tried and tested in many other cities. So desktop valuations offers the value of the property of an independent house also. You can convert the valuation report in the form of the PDF, and which can be used. Thank you so much.